Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your site homepage in Wix. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, click on page here, and then you're gonna see the home or whatever, and just click here manage pages. So what you want to do is this: just click these three dots here, and now click on settings, and then you can just like make this your homepage set. And as you can see, the home button just is on about. So when I would like publish the website, it will be automatically about page will be the first page to show. So set the home back, and this is how you can simply do it. So this is how we can change your site homepage in Wix. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.